Good morning, State College, and guess what? That white stuff falling from the sky? Yeah, that's snow. It's snowing outside, finally, for the first time in months. My name is Matt Flournoy, and here's your Campus Weather Service web update for Wednesday, February 8th, 2012. So if we look at our weather headlines for today, like I said, it's snowing. We will see some minor accumulations. If you look outside right now, all you can see is white. The visibility is slightly diminished by this snow. It looks pretty heavy, but we're only going to get about an inch, unfortunately. Only about an inch. But that will still cause some dangerous road conditions, so still be careful when you're out there on the roads for the rest of the day and into tonight. And once this storm rumbles through tonight, we will have an Arctic blast of cold air. We will see highs in the mid-20s over the weekend, so it will be a cold weekend coming up for us here in Pennsylvania. Current conditions right now, it is overcast, cloudy with snow falling. Temperature 30 degrees, dew point 27. Winds are light and variable coming out of the east at 5 miles per hour. If we look at temperatures around the state, here in State College, 30 degrees, Harrisburg 34. Our warm spot is here in Philly, 39 degrees. So they're obviously, if the storm has reached them by now, they're seeing rain. But so it's either reached them and they're seeing rain, or it hasn't reached them, but they will see some snowfall today too. Our cold spot over here is in Bradford, 27, Erie, 30 degrees. So the storm right now is in the western and central portions of the state, and as the day goes on, it will rumble across the state, and these eastern cities over here will see some light snowfall as the day goes on. Looking at temperatures across the East Coast and into the Midwest, here's us right here in Pennsylvania hovering around 30 degrees, mid-30s. And over here, if you look over here, you see these light purples and even whites farther west. A high of 21 right now in Minneapolis, 15 in Rapid City, and 16 in Denver. That's pretty cold. And those cold temperatures are associated with a large area of high pressure, which is going to rumble eastwards. These next couple days, it's going to push the storm up and out of the northeast, and it's going to bring those cold temperatures with it. So that's what's going to set us up for a nice chilly weekend. If we look at the satellite and radar right now, we see the storm. It's just parking itself right over central PA. It's going to be here for the rest of the night. Again, we do see a bit of snowfall in Philly right now, but as the storm comes this way, they will see a mix and snowfall possibly there. And again, we will see accumulations of around an inch today as this storm rumbles through. We actually do have some winter weather advisories right now, not here in State College, but in the south central portion of the state and into northern Maryland, we do have winter weather alerts. Now, that's not a warning. It is only an advisory, and basically what that advisory means is just be cautious when you're on the roads or when you're walking. There will be slippery conditions. An inch of snow is enough to make the roads pretty slippery out there, so just be careful when you're driving on the roads tonight. If we look at the forecast for the rest of today, the high will actually get up into the mid-30s, going to be a high of 34. We will see light snow for the remainder of the day, and the winds will remain light and variable coming out of the north-northeast, east at 5 miles per hour. And you might think, well, Matt, if the high is 34, won't we see some of the snow change over to rain? And the answer is no, of course not, because in the upper atmosphere, it's colder, because the higher up you go, the colder it gets. So it's colder up there, it's still snow up there, and once it gets down to the ground temperature, the air near the ground is 34 degrees, but it's not enough time for it to melt into rain. So we will see snow for the remainder of this storm, which will diminish into the night hours. It'll start to dissipate around 6, 7, 8 o'clock early evening tonight. Low tonight, temperature of 23. Winds will remain light and variable throughout the night hours coming out of the northeast at 5 miles per hour. Now if we look at our 5-day forecast for the rest of the week and into the weekend, today again light snow, high 34. Overnight temperatures dropping into the lower to mid-20s. Tomorrow the temperatures will climb up into the upper 30s. We will have mostly sunny sky conditions. That's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow. Be sure to get outside Thursday and Friday before that Arctic blast of cold air comes in. Friday again, temperature, we could see temperatures in the lower 40s, but Friday night, and mostly sunny sky conditions Thursday and Friday, but Friday night that Arctic blast of cold air does just settle itself over Pennsylvania. Low temperature Friday night 19, high temperature Saturday only 5 degrees higher, 24 is your high temperature for Saturday, and again, you see that Arctic blast there. It will be cloudy throughout the day, so we don't have that sunshine to make you feel any warmer. Saturday night, temperatures dropping into the lower teens, possibly into the single digits there. So it will be a very cold night Saturday night. Sunday temperatures will start to climb again as that high pressure system moves out and away from us. Temperatures during the day will climb into the upper 20s, mostly sunny sky conditions, and a beautiful start to next week here in State College. For Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Matt Flournoy. Have a great day in the snow, everybody.